We interrupt our regular programming. This is a national emergency. Most details will follow. The following message is transmitted by the request of the United States government, along with Defense of Vegas Unit. This is not a test. Repeat, this is not a test. At 2:04 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, there have been several reports of the Kinebastards killing everyone across the United States. There also have been several reports of them abducting children they see on their path. Due to this, all residents across the United States are advised to follow these actions, seek shelter for the rest of the day until this situation gets taken care of, gather all supplies, and a battery-powered radio for further updates. Evacuate now. Repeat, evacuate now.